How to save an Instagram live video after posting. Yes, you can directly save it after posting to your camera roll, photos, whatever. Let's say that you want to save a really nice piece of content not only for your account but some really nice live from a concert, from a friend, some rumor, I don't know, maybe some wedding that you were a part of. So you can check it out later on. Normally, what you would do is, I'll go on another Instagram account I have, I'll click live, switch the camera, start the live, I'm live, hi noobs, and the live, right? And then you have two options. First, you can share it on IGTV or you can download it. In this situation, we can just click download, it will be all fine. But let's say you just forgot to click the download button. What you can do here is follow the steps that I'll show you in this video. This is an OBS tutorial and all I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee, because you're awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k followers on Instagram guide that you can grab in the description down below. Make sure you like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new, because it really helps out. Let's start with the first option that you can actually use to get the live on your phone or whatever. The way to do it is just find the live in your stories, open this and screen record, right? There's also a few options you can use. On Android there's also some screen recorders if you just check the Play Store and you just wait for the live story. While you have the screen recorder on, it will save it to your phone, right? Option 2 is actually a screen recording software that you can see here. It's a Chrome extension, it says Save IG Live Story. And option 3 is actually Stories 6. You can see the link here. You can use both of them and you just write the username of the person on them and it will save the story. If we go on this website right here, as you can see, we just type the username of the person, for example drricky.co, and we just click on, it has 3 stories, right? And you can download this, super easy, click download, right? It's super easy to do that. All you need is just the username of the account and you can see all his stories, including the live, and just download it. And if you stayed so far in the video, just comment your Instagram username down below and I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. And the shout out winner on this episode is... Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out now.